tiny Bluetooth speaker, crystal clear sound. It connects well. I'm operating off my phone. Here I have my volume turned down. I can turn it back up remotely. It's really easy to adjust up to 33 feet away. You can also do a long hold and it'll change to the next song either way, forwards or backwards. And if you do a fast hold click, it will change the volume for you. So easy to control. It is made of plastic, about 3 inches tall, 1.5 wide, about 1 deep. Super easy, durable. It is rated IPX waterproof, and if I do a long hold there, it turns on with the blue blinking light. I know that it's on. Now I can activate the Bluetooth on my phone. Locate WS16 under our Bluetooth options. It is connected and I'm ready to go. It's really that simple. Other things that stand out, 2 hours to a full charge time. I can do 12 hours at 100% volume or 20 hours at 75% volume. Here are your metric dimensions and your grams, should you need that. Again, about 2 ounces if you're in America. And I also love that it is Bluetooth 5.4. That's a pretty fast, stable, smooth connection up to 33 feet. And that does work with iOS and with Android. Smaller than my palm, about the length of my thumb, can really fit anywhere. All the controls are on the front, easily fits into a pocket. 600 milliamp lithium battery, is rechargeable via standard USB-C plug. The clip is on the back. Let's see how far that goes. That opens about half an inch or so, and it does stay pretty secure when you do attach it to things. I don't really have an issue with that. So I guess in summary, it is wearable. It has good sound, hands-free. It is a tiny speaker. It can clip to your shirt, your bag. It is compact, waterproof, designed to go where you go, can control it either via the phone or on the device. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.